Good morning. Today is July 1st. Oh my gosh. I go back to work in exactly 1 month. August 1st is the first day. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Where did my summer go? Anyways, I had my little crisis for a moment there. I go back to work in exactly 1 month, so it is time to start actually crunching in the classroom. So, welcome to, I think this is day 4. The day I got my keys, the day with my mom, the day without my mom. Yeah, this is day 4 of classroom setup. So let's go. I made it to my classroom and I've got some exciting news. Okay, so when we started doing some of the classroom cleanup, we realized that one, the sink was leaking under there, and one of my, so like the vents right here, this one was missing the covering to it. And so I went to the assistant principal and I was like, hey, if possible, I would love, to have a new AC front. I'd love to get the sink fixed so I can use it. And he was like, absolutely no promises. Like, basically, I don't even know if it'll be able to happen, but I'll try for you. And after, what was it? I did all of that last week, maybe a week ago. It might have been last Monday or Tuesday that I've requested all this. So 1 week later, I've got a working sink and I have a whole brand new unit. Like, they didn't just add the little grate to it, they gave me a whole brand new one. So it's all clean and beautiful. Like, can you be, I'm so excited. Look at her. She's all beautiful and clean. So this is like the new unit part. This doesn't change. So I think I'm going to actually paint this and that so that they look good. But I am so excited about that. And then look at this. Oh wait, cold water. Water. It is definitely like the little things that make me so excited. Like, I'm so excited they fixed those 2 things for me. And then another thing I requested actually was to change my desk. So requested for them to give me tables, which our school is fairly old, from the 90s or before that actually. It's from way back when. I was not even born when this school was here. But within the last year or 2 now, they opened up a brand new band wing. And with this brand new band building, they connected 2 hallways, a first and a second story, to the existing building. And those wings that they added had all brand new furniture because of the grant. And so the school got a ton of new furniture, but there was teachers in those wings that didn't want the new furniture. Crazy. Blows my mind, frankly. Like, I love new furniture all the time. Requested, I was like, if possible, I'd love the new desks, but I understand if that's not an opportunity. But no matter what, I need tables, or I need something that is not connected like this is for my kids. So I just found the head custodian, which I've met him before, but I just found him in the hallway for perfect timing. He literally goes on vacation this week and is going to be gone for a while. We're walking down the hallway and he points out some of the new desks. So not tables, desks, student desks to me. And he's like, we have a ton of these if you wanted that. And I was like actually I could have these brand new desks that like would work perfectly for my room. And he's like, yeah, but I don't think we can move it for you until after school starts. And I was like, oh no, can I do it myself? Long story short, I'm getting all psycho with my explanation because so much just happened within the last 30 minutes of me even being at the school. But he called the assistant principal, who's on vacation right now, and answered and said, yes, if she really wants to, she can go move them herself, but we'll do it for her, but understand it needs to wait, which I understand. But they're so busy, they're waxing all the floors in the entire school this summer, and this school is huge. Like, that is so much work. So I was like, I don't mind doing it myself, like, at all. So he went and showed me, he gave me this thing. He gave me this thing and showed me how you pick up the desks. Let's see if I can do it. He was like, you line it up and you get it under there, like that. That's crazy. I'm picking up a desk. So anyways, he gave me the things so I can move these desks out. He showed me where the new desks and chairs are. So when Jonathan is here, I'm putting him to work. We are going to get the other man's stuff out. We're going to get these desks out. And it's going to be a chef's kiss. Until Jonathan gets here though to help me move out all these desks, I'm going to start tackling this wall that has gum wrappers stuck on it. Time to start moving the desks out. Almost done. All of the desks are gone. There she is, all empty. I brought this lamp, but it's definitely like broken, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about him. But we brought my chairs from the class because I knew we'd be moving the desks out, so now we have something to sit on. So we're about to go move this, hopefully this, to the other teacher's room, and maybe this one too. And I can't see what's past that, so we'll be exploring together. So we just finished moving those two big pieces of furniture into the other teacher's room, and everything else that's in here isn't his and is for me to figure out what to do with. So I think we're calling it quits for today. It's now 2:40, so I've been here a while actually. I've been here since like 9:30 now. So that is the end of day 4 of classroom setup. We're gonna move this fridge out today too, actually, because I don't want it in here anymore. And then we're calling it a day. Good morning, it's day 5 of classroom setup, and I've got some exciting news. I've got desks. Oh, Jonathan just helped me move all these desks and the tables and chairs into my room, and then he had to leave for work, but I am so excited about these desks set up because they are all brand new. There's not a single piece of gum on any of them. Love that for me. So the cool thing about these, they have this unique shape around them. I don't know if y'all can see it well. Let's get to one that's not stacked. Here we go. The tables have this unique shape, which is supposed to help with you being able to make groups with them better, to be able to make big tables out of them. And I like that it is a single desk per student with a freestanding chair, so that when they have the sewing machines out on them, they can easily not be restrained in them. So yes, now that we've got the desks in here, I have a meeting at the school for 10 and it's 9:55, so I've got to go walk over to that. It's a leadership meeting, so our school does Leader in Me, which if y'all know what that is, but it's just like our school-wide incentive stuff. So I have that meeting that I need to go over to right now. So we just broke for lunch. I came back to my classroom to get my water. We got some pizza and everything's going well. The kids have a ton of ideas, and when you have 25 kids and multiple adults trying to give ideas of how to improve the school, it's a lot, but it's fun to be able to hear ideas and start trying to help implement them at some part. It's interesting seeing the kids that know me from my previous last name and I'm introducing the new last one and they're like, nah, you'll always be Miss Induni, not Miss Lag. But yeah, so head back to that classroom now with my water. I'm actually really cold. I wonder if I had a jacket in my car. So our meeting just finished. I'm back in my classroom now. I think I'm gonna try to get a few things done just to feel like semi-productive from being at the school all day today. But I mean, getting these desks in was a lot of work in general, so I feel semi-accomplished regardless. But I really, really, really want to start doing something with this closet because it's giving me like anxiety, because there's just so much random nonsense in there and it just needs a complete overhaul. So I think I may go walk down the main hallway to try to see if I can find any big trash cans I can borrow so that I can easily throw things away. Time to start. Rip the band-aid off. Some of the stuff that looks like it could still be used for the current science classes, I'm putting to the side to put into the shared closet. I've done like 3 shelves, 1, 2, 3, and I already have a full bag. Found a whole podium in the closet. This is that front piece to my AC unit that I requested they replace because it didn't have it. Oops. Some turtle shells. I feel like someone would want those, right? Coat hangers? Just why? It's better. Did it scare you? We're gonna call it a day here. I'll show you what I did. So I got a lot of these shelves done, and I got some of the stuff that's on the floor. That's from like the bleach right there. So I still have to tackle all of this, but I couldn't find another trash bag, so I I don't want to just keep overflowing my little trash. And I've got that bag. And then all of this is old biology worksheets and stuff that doesn't need to be taking up this much space. So this is how we're leaving it at the end of day 5. So not bad. Not too bad. I spent most of the day in that meeting, not able to be in my classroom, but getting these desks in here, I am so excited. So thank y'all for coming along for day 5. I'll see y'all in the next one.